Hey guys, what is going on? Zedan here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to earn a lot of money from Adfly. Now, if you don't know what Adfly is, it's basically a website in which you take a URL like this one, a normal URL, you paste it over here, it's going to shrink that URL. So the URL is smaller and easier to share, and then when you send that to someone and they click on it, let's try this right now. Let's paste this in here. Shrink it. Now as you can see, it is smaller than what it usually is, and it's easier to share. So basically you just need to share this part because most of the people already know about Adfly, and you can tell them just go to Adfly and add this at the end. So now let's copy it and go here and paste it in here. Now what's gonna happen is that they're gonna be shown this thing right here. In this place there are gonna be ads, but my ad blocker is blocking it right now. And then you need to wait 5 seconds, and as you can see here, you get paid for 10,000 visitors. You get paid $5. The real rate is something else. It depends on where the person is from. If he's in the US, you get paid more compared to some other place. Anyway, and then you click skip ad, and then it's going to take you to the website. So that's how it works. And as you can see, I made this account yesterday and I have 3 views. So that's approximately this much, 0.00176. Now this does work slow, extremely slow, but today I'm going to show you how to speed it up. Now what we are going to be doing is we're going to take that link that we just copied for VirusTotal, and we are going to paste it in this bot right here. Now what this bot is going to do is that it's going to keep on refreshing, and it's going to keep on clicking skip ad. So now you could technically do it yourself, but the problem in that is that you're gonna be using the same IP address. Now yes, you could use a VPN like this and do it, but as you can see, for free you can get only, I think 4. Yeah, as you can see, you can only get 4, so you can only do it 4 times. Now you don't need to use a VPN, because instead of a VPN you can use a proxy. Now what a proxy is that it's basically going to fake your location, and the website is going to think you are somewhere else. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to scan this file for any virus on VirusTotal, as you can see right there, and scan it. So this has been scanned before, and 2 by 56. Anyway, let's do reanalyze. Now one thing that I want to show you is, right now you might be like, oh look, 2 by 56, that means it's a virus because 2 antiviruses picked it up. No, I'll tell you why in a second. Basically, how this program works is that it's going to keep on refreshing the page. Like, the website is going to appear here, and it's going to keep on refreshing it. Now that works in a thing called a loop. Basically, like after every refresh, it's going to refresh again. So that is not how a normal program works, because like, why would a normal program, like something like Photoshop, why would it want to work on a loop? So working on a loop is considered somewhat malicious because it's not something that's normal. So that's why some antiviruses pick it up as a virus. But as you can see here, the only 2 antiviruses that picked it up, and it's done analyzing, are Baidu and CrowdStrike Falcon. And honestly, these 2 aren't even that great of an antivirus. If you check the bigger ones and better ones like AVG, clean, Avast, clean, Avira, clean, Bitdefender, which is considered the best, clean, Komodo, which has an excellent behavior blocker, clean, ESET-Not32, clean, Dr. Web, clean, MCSoft, Kaspersky, which is also the best, Malwarebytes, McAfee, Microsoft, I'm assuming that's Security Essentials, Super Anti-Spyware, Sophos, Symantec, which is also Norton, yeah, Vipre, I don't know if it's Vipre, I don't know how to pronounce that, but basically all these are clean, and the only 2 that picked it up are these 2, and they aren't that great of antiviruses themselves. So now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to show you how to use this. So basically you need a proxy list, and just click on update and it updates by itself. It's pretty quick because, well, it's just text. Now the earlier version of this, I think this is the 3rd version of it. The first version of it had a very small list of proxies. I think there were like 6 or something, So that's why this is here. Refresh rate is random between 60 and 300 seconds. Now the proxy list is huge, as you can see here. This just keeps on going on and on and on. There's like thousands of them. So it keeps on going still. It doesn't stop there. But anyway, so how the refresh rate worked was, if there were, suppose, let's say 3 proxies, let's consider these 3 as proxies. This one is going to visit the website, and then this one is going to visit the website, and then this one. Now the problem in this is that after this one, it's going to go back here, then here, then here. So Adfly is going to take that as a suspicious thing. Like, it's obvious. These 3 are going in a loop, and these 3 are visiting. So what this used to do was, it used to go for this, then it used to wait 60 to 300 seconds, and then go for this, and then wait again, and then go for this, and then wait again, and then restart. So it used to go like that. So it used to make it more believable. But now, since the list is huge, it doesn't follow this anymore. Basically what it does is that first this, let's say this one is going to visit, and then immediately after that this one is going to visit, and then immediately after that this one. Now when I say immediately, I don't literally mean immediately. There's obviously going to be a small gap in between, maybe 10-15 seconds, but yeah, that's it. So it's going to be much quicker than it was. Another thing is that it doesn't go in order, like this one and then this one and then this one. It goes randomly. Like, it can pick this one first, and then it can go down to like this one, and then up to this one. So basically you can run this program in many different computers. So anyway, let us do it now. I think that's all that there is to say about the program. Let's update it again. And these proxy lists, the starting ones are the older ones, I think, or the bottom ones are the older ones, but it just keeps on updating. So every time you update, like, it's not important that there are going to be updates, but whenever there are, it's going to get added to the end of the list. So some of these proxies may not be working, like these older ones. Suppose like the first one, this was there from version 1, like the first version of this file. So it might not be working right now, but most of them are going to be working because most of them are going to be new. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make another website. Let's see, google.co.uk, and let's shrink it. Copy this. Let's try it out once ourselves. I'll wait 5 seconds. By the way, there are so many services like this, and you can use all of them in this because it just refreshes. It has nothing to do with the fact that it's Adfly. There are other services like, and it did work over here. I think it's called short 10 maybe. T.en. No. Short T. Wait. E.st. Yeah, there you go. Short test. This is another one, just like Adfly. Adfly. Yeah, Adfly. But yeah, you can use any of them in this. So anyway, I'm gonna be pasting that link in here right now, this one. And I'm gonna let it go for some time, and we shall see. So let's hit start, and I shall be back after some time. Oh, okay, just hit yes. Oh, there you go. I shall be back after some time. Okay, hey guys, I am back, and it has been approximately, I'd say, 5 minutes. And as you can see here, it's been 276 views, and I earned approximately 2 cents. So what does that mean? 2 cents. I know that's not a lot, but it's been 5 minutes. 5 minutes, 2 cents. That means every 30 minutes I'd earn $1, and that means that every hour I'd earn $2, and in that way I can just keep it running. If I keep it running like all day and all night, 24 hours, I'd earn $48. Now the best part about this is that I can run this program any number of times, and since each time what it does, that's the reason that this thing was implemented, that it doesn't go in order. Like, it doesn't pick this one first and then this one and then this one. Instead it goes randomly, because if it went like first, second, third, it would be first, second, third for all of them. So your page would be getting like, let's see, we open like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. you'll be getting like 5 views from the same IP address, then 5 from here, and then 5 from here, and that's kind of like obviously suspicious. But instead what it does is that it randomly picks. So if the first one is going here, then the second bot is going to pick this one, and the third bot is going to pick this one, then fourth, you get it. So basically you can open any number of these that you want, and yeah, that's it. But a word of caution, do not overdo it. I'd say don't go more than $10 per day. I mean, why would you want anything more than that? $10 per day. Like, what are you going to do with more than that? The reason for that is that it's going to be a bit suspicious if you suddenly start earning a lot. So even if you want to do it, I'd recommend that you start with something smaller, like start earning like $1 per day, and then go up to 2, and then go up to 5, then increase it slowly. Like, don't go all at once, like $48 per day. That's kind of gonna become suspicious. Anyway, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy. I hope it works. I hope you guys make some money. Thanks for watching. Oh, and by the way, just one last thing. These bots get taken down really quick. So I'm gonna upload it on the website. I'm gonna upload it on some website. It might get taken down. If it does get taken down, just tell me in the comments. I will upload it again. I'm keeping this safe in my computer, so any number of times it gets taken down, I will keep on uploading it. Just message me, or yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.